I used 3 millimeters hook and yarn. Three millimeters. We need one elastic hair tie. Tie yarn. Insert your hook into this hair tie. Pull up yarn. Take this yarn on your hook, yarn over, join two yarns together, make one chain, yarn over, insert your hook into hair tie, pull through two yarns together, pull through two yarns together, make double crochet stitches in hair tie. After these stitches, go to first chain, slip stitch, make 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to this stitch, first stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, yarn over, go to next stitch, make 1 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 2 double crochet, 1 2 double crochet, make 2 double crochet stitches in each stitch for this round. Make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in last stitch, go to top of first stitch, slip stitch, make 1 2 chains, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in first stitch. We have 3 stitches in first stitch, make 1 2 3 double crochet in each stitch, 1 2 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 double crochet. Continue like this. Make 1 2 3 double crochet stitches in last stitch, go to top of first stitch, make 1 2 3 4 chains, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, go to this chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 yarns on hook. Yarn over, fix this yarn, pull through all of these yarns. Insert your hook into this yarn, pull up yarn, close it. Make one chain, pull up yarn, yarn over. Pull up yarn, yarn over. Fixed this yarn, pull up yarn, close it. Go to this chain, a slip stitch, a slip stitch, a slip stitch. Go to here, a slip stitch, a slip stitch. From this stitch, a slip stitch, a slip stitch, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over. Fixed this yarn, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through, close it, make a chain, pull up yarn, go to here, a slip stitch, go to next stitch, a slip stitch, a slip stitch, a slip stitch, continue like this, make 1 2 3 continue for this round.